Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to install NetMirror on your iPhone step by step. So step 1, open the Safari browser on your iPhone. Step 2, go to the official NetMirror website or a verified source that offers iOS version. Step 3, download the iOS compatible version of the app. You may be prompted to allow downloads from unknown source. Step 4. Once downloaded, go to Settings and then General, then VPN and Device Management. Step 5. Tap the app's developer name and select Trust to allow the installation. Step 6. Go back to your home screen and open NetMirror. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin screen mirroring or device casting. NetMirror lets you mirror your iPhone to smart TVs and other devices with just few taps. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.